If you are a beginner in Photoshop, one of the very first things you need to learn how to do is how to access and adjust the brush tool. Many tools in Photoshop are brush-based, so that is a good starting spot for learning how to use the whole program. To start using the brush tool, just click on the brush icon in your toolbar to the left. Then what you're going to do is go up to your drop-down panel for the brush, and you can adjust the size by sliding the cursor back and forth, and you'll see the size change. You can also type a number in. This is also where you can change the hardness of a brush. A hard brush is very crisp, and a soft brush, as you'll see, is very transparent at the edges. So once you know that you can adjust the hardness of the brush and the size and the softness, you can also go up and slide the opacity slider to get a transparent brush. So once you know the basics of brushes, it's time to start learning some shortcut keys. Right now I've got the Move tool selected, but if I click B on my keyboard, I'll get the Brush tool. At this point I see that I have a 200 pixel size brush, and I'm just going to click down, and you can see that my brush is soft. So I'm going to use the right bracket key to increase the size of my brush, and then I'm going to use the left bracket key to decrease the size of my brush. If I want to work on the hardness, I can increase the hardness by holding the Shift key plus the right bracket key, and if I want to decrease the hardness, I'm going to use the Shift key plus the left bracket key. I can use the number keys on my keyboard to change the opacity. So I'm going to type in a 1, and that is a 10% opacity. If I type in a 2, that's a 20% opacity. Then if I type in a 5, that would be a 50% opacity. And to get back to 100% opacity, I would just type in 10. So now you know how to use shortcut keys and the brush.